In Preview 8D, it is asking for some questions about using technology. And like here you find, a student just sent this to me. And so the student has missed the question, and you see the correct answers on this particular question. So I'm going to use it to talk about how to get the correct answers here. Using technology, find the intercept. Using technology, find the slope. Using technology, find the correlation. So we've got A, B, and D. So all of these can be found in one area. So I've clicked on where it says click here to view the data. I've clicked on the data, and I'm going to click right up here where it says click to copy table, and I'm going to open it in Excel. When I open this in Excel, I'm going to highlight both columns, and I'm going to go to Insert, Charts, Scatter. OK. And I'm doing this all in Excel. I'm going to go to the plus, click on it, and tell it trend line. And on the trend line, I want linear, but I want more options. I'm going to scroll down to more options, and here are where you're going to find the answers to those questions. Display the equation, display the R squared. Okay, done with that. So here I'm going to move, if it'll let me move this over here, both of them. I'm going to try to enlarge it, and never mind. And so going back to the questions, on part A, when it says use technology to find the intercept, when we go back to the Excel graph, right here, when you're asked to find the intercept, it's right here, negative 620.48. I'm going to look back at the chart. It has a little bit more on the 4808. And let me go back and see what we had here. Oh, that's the other one I've worked on. So it says 48, and I would try that in the answers. I'm not seeing where it says, oh, it says round to 4 decimal places. So we need the 4 decimal places in the answers. So let's go back over here to our Excel, to our trend line, and let's click inside our box. When we click inside of our box, over here on the right, I'm going to click on my bar graph. It says number, and then it says decimal places. Let's change it to 4, hit enter, and now we have our 4 decimal places. So our intercept is negative 620, 4.4808. Let's go back over here. That would match part A. Our slope is 1.8822. Tens, hundreds, thousandths, 10 thousandths, so 1 and 8,822 10,000ths. And that would match here. And that leaves us one more where it says what's the correlation coefficient. It's the R value. So when we go back over here to our trend line, we see that we have an R squared. So I'm going to put into my calculator 0.8442, and then I'm going to hit square root. And remember, it wants it to 4 decimal places. And so when I go back over here, looking at my calculator, I've got 0.91880356, etc. And so to 4 decimal places, I'm going to get 0.9188. Again, this is on the preview for 8D when they're asking for technology to answer some of these questions.